Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, always welcome here. Today I'm super excited because we are going to be doing a little unboxing slash install slash review on this wig. In the last couple months I've been reviewing TikTok's highest rated wigs. This is one of them. It's Glueless. It's easy. I'm not gonna say too much because, you know, we're gonna find out together. All right, let's get into the wig. Let me put my hair back and I'll be right back. Wow. Wow. Yeah. This is what I'm talking about. Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah. This is what I'm talking about. Yeah.
Guys, my sister got me this little mic and I'm obsessed with it. It's so cute. And the reason why I wasn't using my microphone or my other mic is because it's so big and it's so annoying having to set it up every time, but this is cute. Now, I don't know how I feel about it just sitting there so visibly, so I'm gonna have to figure that out.
Oh. Wow. You see how? Wait a minute.
But look at this, I put it on. It comes pre-styled, pre-cut, just ready for you to put it on and go.
Wow.
Oh, one thing about me, it doesn't matter how glueless a wig is, I'm gonna glue it down every time, okay? I just like that little security. I brush it out. First, I did it with my fingers, just kind of like put my fingers through the curls, but then I realized one thing about me, another thing about me, because this is the second thing I'm telling you. It's, you know what, I'm gonna tell you many things about me, okay? I like to glue it down, even if it's glueless. Now, I'm not using heavy glue, just a little like melting spray, okay? And then I tie it down for 20, maybe 15, maybe 30 minutes, depending where I'm going and how good the lace is. And this lace is good. Like, this is probably the best lace I've reviewed recently. And the second thing about me, I like big hair, okay? The bigger, the better. I want it big, huge. And this hair has the potential to be huge. Look at the lace. You see that? That's actually glueless. That's scalp. But no matter what, lace is lace. It's never going to be scalp. I think I'm going to zoom in. You see that? Okay. Now we just have to keep going. You just have to trust, okay? I thought if I kind of like, I don't know, did a little something in the front that maybe potentially it would look bigger and fuller, but no, I don't know what I was trying to do there. I wanted to do that little curl thing in the front, which I normally do with my flat iron or like, you know, my hot comb, but I didn't want to use heat on this hair. I wanted to show you guys what it looks like heatless, just as it is. So, you know, I was like, okay, let me put a little wax. Yeah, let's see what that does. But that did absolutely nothing. Absolutely nothing. As I was doing this, I thought, maybe if I keep trying, maybe if I'm persistent. No, persistence had nothing to do with this. I learned nothing from struggling this way. I could have just gotten the heat input on it. Anyway, we're kind of getting off track. It went wonderfully well. After a while, I just stopped trying. I was like, okay, you know what? You've done your part. You tried. It didn't work out. It's okay. Went ahead with a little bronzer. Just a little bit. This bronzer is like my winter shade bronzer. It's super light. I don't know. Sometimes I get yellow. It does. I don't use it on my face, so I use it on my wigs now. Here I am back to trying. I was like, you know what? Okay, hold up. Maybe I really can finesse this.
What wig do you guys know comes this perfect? The curls literally just fall back into place. I thought it would have been cuter with the little volume there, but no. It's cuter flat. It's cuter flat. Yeah. Literally like put it on and go. Oh, why was I trying to do that little... No, this is so much cuter. Look at the curls. Bounce back. Honestly, these wig reviews, they're a little too easy. I haven't ran into a bad wig in a while. But this... Okay, the wig review I just posted, it was by Julia Hair. It was this curly hair and it's so beautiful, and I thought, oh my god, I'm never gonna find something more beautiful, and I just found it. I'm going to wear this hair for the rest of my life. I'm going to glue it down and I'm never gonna take it off. I look like a goddess. Oh, I literally, like, when I was starting this wig review, I was like, ugh, like, I don't know. Do I want to do another wig review? Is this who I am? And you know what? Yeah, it is. Because I love this hair. This is what I wake up for. It's not what I wake up for, but it could be. This is gorgeous. All right, so probably the most big head friendly wig I've had in a while. Such a crazy thing to say out loud. I'm gonna give the structure 10 out of 10, the lace 8 out of 10. I want to say the hair is 10 out of 10. No shedding in any capacity. I've brushed it with a brush, with a small one, a big one, my fingers. No tangling, no shedding. Absolutely shiny, bouncy, beautiful. Easy breezy cover girl. That's it. I am saying yes to this wig. Thank you for watching this video. Name her. What should we name her? Princess. Let's name her Princess. All right, Princess and I are gonna go now. We're gonna go have dinner. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you guys next time. Bye.